Welcome to Syeadh Academy. What is computer? A computer is a programmable device that stores, retrieves, and processes data. You may already know that you can use a computer to type documents, send email, play games, and browse the web. It can process numerical as well as non-numerical calculations. Do you know? Father of computer. Charles Babbage is considered to be the father of computer, for his invention and the concept of analytical engine in 1837. The analytical engine contained an arithmetic logic unit, ALU, basic flow control, and integrated memory, which led to the development of first general-purpose computer concept. The basic parts without which a computer cannot work are as follows. 1 processor. 2 memory. 3 motherboard. 4 storage device. 5 input device. 6 output device. First-generation computers. The first generation, 1940 to 1956, computers were slow. The computers of first generation used vacuum tubes. In this generation, mainly batch processing operating system was used. The computers in this generation used machine code as the programming language. Some of the popular first-generation computers are ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. ENIAC weighed about 27 tons and consumed around 150 watts of power. EDVATS, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer. Merits and demerits. The first-generation computers are 1. Big in size. 2. Consumed more power. 3. Malfunction due to overheat. 4. Machine language was used. Second-generation computers. The second generation, 1956 to 1964, was the era of the transistor computers. These computers used transistors which were cheap, compact and consuming less power. In this generation, magnetic cores were used as the primary memory and magnetic tape and magnetic disks as secondary storage devices. Example, IBM 1401 and IBM 1620. Merits and demerits. The second-generation computers are 1. Smaller compared to first generation. 2. Consumed less power compared to first generation. 3. Generated less heat. 4. Punched cards were used. 5. Machine language as well as assembly language was used. Third-generation computers. The third generation, 1964 to 1971, of computers used integrated circuits. Integrated circuits itself consists of many transistors, capacitors, and resistors. The third-generation computers are much faster, efficient, reliable, less maintenance. Example, IBM 360 series, Honeywell 6000 series. Merits and demerits. The third-generation computers are 1. Computers were smaller, faster and more reliable. 2. Consumed less power. 3. High-level languages were used. Fourth-generation computers. The fourth generation, 1971 to 1980, computers used very large-scale integrated, VLSI, circuits. Therefore they were also known as the microprocessors. A microprocessor chip is made from hundreds of integrated circuits constructed on a single silicon chip. These chips made this generation computers more compact, powerful, fast and affordable. Example, Star 1000, Cray XMP. Merits and demerits. The fourth-generation computers are 1. Smaller and faster. 2. Microcomputer series such as IBM and Apple were developed. 3. Portable computers were introduced. Fifth-generation computers. The computer made in the fifth generation, present and future, was created with the help of logic programming and massively parallel computing. Fifth-generation computers received a major upgrade and VLSI technology was replaced with LSI, ultra-large-scale integration, technology. This generation of computers was based upon parallel processing hardware and AI, artificial intelligence, software. Merits and demerits. The fifth-generation computers are 1. Computer size was drastically reduced. 2. Introduction of artificial intelligence and expert systems. 3. Able to solve high complex problems including decision-making and logical reasoning.